We are closing a very important deal tomorrow with the most amazing clients who moved to America just a year ago. Everything was brand new to them. They were surprised about the construction of homes, the styles of homes, the whole process, because they are investors from Poland. So they have bought a few properties in Poland, but the system and the process is completely different. So they were in shock. I guided them through the process. They are happy about it. And tomorrow is finally the day they are closing on their dream home in America. And I'm going to take you on this journey with me. Today is the day before. So the day before I go to the store, I have already bought some gifts for them, but I have to go to the store because for these particular clients, they're going to be renovating the home for at least 3 weeks. I figured out that I'm going to buy them something special, which is not the most expensive, but I think the most useful thing that I can buy for them. Let's see. So first I'm going to Walmart to get a big basket of useful things. Like for example, I'm going to get them a whole bag of paper towels, toilet paper, some cleaning supplies, and whatever else I find useful. I'm going to show you what I bought for them. So what I bought for them is this beautiful painting of their new home. Of course, it needs a brand new and beautiful, very elegant frame because they are very elegant people. Here's my outfit of the day for running errands. For that frame, I'm gonna go to Kohl's. First, I'm gonna check Walmart for the other supplies, then Kohl's. On the way to Kohl's, I might enter Home Depot because I'm looking for a new swing. When I was trying to get the new swing for my yard a few months ago when the summer was starting, I couldn't get anything because everything was sold out. So my husband told me, let's wait till the fall. I mean, what sense does it make to buy a swing in the fall? Now, when the days are a little bit cooler and the evenings are nice, I want to have a swing in the backyard because I love swinging. I mean, swinging on the swing. Guys, I'm one of those people who hate stairs and I have to walk up my stairs every time I forget something from my closet, from my bedroom. And that's why I'm thinking about buying a new home, which is a ranch house, because I really, really don't like the stairs. These are the stairs. Terrible. I hate them. And on top of that, I already fell a few times on those stairs. My first stop on the way to Kohl's, Walmart, and PetSmart is actually Home Depot because I need to buy the swing. Let's see if they have any left. Now I'm stopping at PetSmart, Petco actually, because my beloved cat doesn't have wet foot and she loves a special brand, only one type. We're done with the final walkthrough. Everything went pretty well. The seller repaired everything that they were supposed to repair. Everything was in a perfect working condition. The water, the toilets, the AC, lights, everything. So I gave my clients the free bags of items. I forgot to take a picture, but I put it in beauty gift bags, and also I gave them 2 of my branded linen bags. They were very happy about it because while we're doing the final walkthrough, the client spilled the water from the fridge, and I'm like, and he said, oh, there is no paper towel. So we went to the car. I handed them over those items and they were ecstatic about it. So that way they don't have to worry about buying stuff like, you know, first need stuff when you're starting renovating the home. It's the least of your worries, at least. So they were very happy about it. And now we're heading to the closing. They already did the wire transfer yesterday, so it should be pretty easy and fast. They're just gonna sign some paperwork because they are taking the mortgage out. But other than that, everything is perfect. So I'm already here at the attorney's office. I'm going to show you a little bit. That's my favorite attorney to work with. He's a great human being, Piotr Rabdziewicz.
The event that the home is not as good as we thought it was.